and loser, we're going shopping! We're going to get some homeware shopping today.
We need so many bits, and Alan keeps going on and on and on about all the bits we need, but he never goes and gets it, of course. So I forced us today to be going.
Yeah, Mark's taking charge. I'm really annoyed because I wanted this mirror from the range, and it's like a dupe for those William Wood mirrors that are really expensive, and this one was like way cheaper, and I have my heart set on buying it, and it turns out it's out of stock and it's on pre-order. Are we still going to go to the range and look just in case they have one? Yeah. Also apologies if this vlog ends up being like grey or something, because obviously this is a new little camera, I don't know how it works yet. The most exciting thing just happened. We've just got to the range and Mark stumbled upon something.
Literally wandering around saying if only the stone mirror was in, and this was just sitting here like this. Clearly just came in a delivery. That's what we were looking for, just one of it. Meant to be.
Careful fate that we came today, because it said it's out of stock online and we were like, we'll just go and look anyway.
One. Just the one.
And where's it going?
Home with us.
We have a very happy Mark Sinclair who's secured the goods with the mirror. So we're now at
Dunelm.
There's nothing I hate more. Nothing I hate more than homeware shopping. See, Mark can spend hours looking at every curtain, everything, and I just want in and out. Whereas Mark is fully in his element looking at everything.
Well, we need the right size.
Whereas I'm literally claustrophobic. Davin, get that fire exit door, I'm off. Okay, so now we're going to next home. Mark has decided that we're going to find some sort of amazing cushions and throws for the beds.
I feel it in the gut. I feel it.
There was these big chest piece things and Mark went to pick one up and
I broke it and I feel like I need to go and say something. And I feel like that's the right tone.
proper struggling to find like the perfect shade of cream. Not too warm, not too cool, and all the home accessories.
Keep this here.
Hold
I'm
on.
going to go and get the curtains.
Huh?
I'm going to go and get the curtains so we can colour match.
Literally got like every cushion under the sun. And I'm literally like, can you just pick one? But I really like these babies, and then there's other ones that Mark's away to see if they can get two of. Tell me how we just went and bought two cushions, and it was £65.
But we almost got 4 cushions, but we only got...
So that girl math. Mark's just went in to Asda to get a couple of bits for dinner tonight. Is it just me that does this? Like, I bought this coffee at 2:30, it's now 5:30, and I'm just starting to drink it now. But I can fully make an iced coffee last me like the entire day. Like the first one of the day will be drunk like within 10 minutes, like. But the other one I can have sitting until like so late at night. I've got a mirror, so I'm proper hunchback right now. I'm going to go home and chill. I say chill, but I know what Mark's like. He's going to want everything done. So he's going to want like the mirror put out, the new bedding put on, the new curtains put up. Cause we've done a lot of home stuff. We just can't find like a throw that we like for our bed, so that's next on the list. Probably we'll look for that like tomorrow. I'll look online maybe as well. I want to film some content because HMB have got their new bronzers launching tomorrow, so they'll be out by the time that you see this. So I want to film some content for them, but I don't know if I'm going to have time tonight, so I'll maybe do it tomorrow. But they launch tomorrow at 9 AM, and like for any of my international baddies, like you got to be on a lunch and TikTok shop. You can't do it 2 days later. So yeah, I want to do some content with that, but I'm going to do that tomorrow because Mark goes to like a High Rocks class on a Sunday morning normally. And then we like to go for Sunday brunch. It's like our new thing. We're trying to make like effort to do things and have like routine and do cute things together. Like, so we're not just sitting at home or wondering what we're going to do today. So it's Sunday, we're going to do a brunch, which means we can take Harvey, which is obviously the best part of the event. And then we will go to the cinema tomorrow night to see is it Wolverine and Deadpool? Is that what it is? So I'll maybe do my makeup in the morning, film some HMB content and go live. I'm totally brain dumping. I don't know if this is the vibe we're going to do for this vlog, but today it's going to be, so I'm going to do that. I'll do that in the morning. So tonight we're going to go home. I say chill, we're not going to chill. Mark will let me chill. I think we've got Drag Race Canada to watch, which was good last week. And then we're having tacos, which I'm so excited for. But yeah, that's it. To show you what the drive home's like. This mirror is currently balanced on Mark's head because it takes up like the whole back of the car, so he's not happy. So yeah, I just thought it was quite funny because obviously you see these cars with these big boots, not big enough. Mark's already confirmed that yes, this will be the first plan of action when we go home, is to change the bedding, change the curtains, put up the new mirror. He said, I'll do all that when you cook dinner. So I guess when I said I was getting to chill, I was wrong. I was incorrect.
Incorrect if you think I'm doing all that and you're just sitting doing bugger all. Oh, you gonna reach for it? You gonna reach for it? Was that good? Was that good?
Currently on our way to brunch, very exciting. Harvey is more excited than either of us. He is literally determined that he wants a window down so he can stick his head out the window.
We're trying a new place today, aren't we? Because we've been at the same place for the past few weeks.
Yes, so we're going somewhere new, hopefully today. If not, we'll go back to the place we went the last few weeks. Either way, I'm sure Harvey will have the best time. 2 weeks we went to Lagom, which is really nice, but across the road is another place, Casa, that we really want to try, so we're going to try there today and see how we got on. A lot of the places for brunch is like walk-ins only, you can't book, so we'll just have to hope that we can get a table. But I think we're maybe like just past the lunchtime rush.
Yeah, we normally go for brunch about this time. Most people go for brunch at like 12ish, so.
Yes. So we're hopeful, and Harvey will be hopeful too, that he'll get his little Sunday treat of toast, which he loves.
You sticking your head out the window? You sticking your head out the window?
It's literally once. You know how the whole thing about like Sunday drivers, today is like the day of all Sunday drivers. I'll let Mark explain to you what's happening.
Every Sunday, and I say every Sunday, I don't want to drive. But today's just full of absolute knobheads. Going up one-way streets, going up...
one-way system down the wrong side.
Yeah.
Undercutting people.
Honest to God, like undercutting people with no indicators because I'm psychic. You know, I know where you're going. Don't worry when you cut me off. Honest to God. This one here.
There is nothing funnier than being in the car with Mark when he's having road rage. Meanwhile, this wee guy is just living his best life, determined that he wants to stick his head out the window, even if it means like climbing all over me like a climbing frame, but he doesn't care as long as he's comfy.
I have so many parking stops everywhere. Go over there. One stopped us in the street and said Harvey wins best groom in the West End. Oh.
And he definitely does, he looks so cute today. Oh my god, there's so many cute dogs today, like so many cute dogs. None as cute as my Harvey though. Oh, you had enough? Harvey, look at me. Oh, are we your favourite thing?
He's knackered.
He's knackered.
Oh my god, babe. Oh my god, this toast. Cinnamon sugar and maple syrup.
Oh, that looks so good. Our favourite part of brunch is Harvey gets his toast. If we don't get Harvey toast, it's not worth it.
Good boy.
The brunch was genuinely so nice. Like one of the best brunches I've had like in a while. So definitely recommend going to Casa if you're in Glasgow. The food was for a long walk, so I was kind of sweaty, needed a wee shower, refreshing up, and then we're going to go to the cinema. So Mark's just nipped out to get us a little coffee to take with us, and then we're going to go and get takeaway dessert and take that in with us as well, because like we get the cinema thing where you pay a monthly unlimited pass, but sometimes like the snack cinema ain't hitting it, and because we're quite a late lunch, brunch, dinner thing, I'm so full, so I'm not going to want nachos or anything, so I really just want ice cream. And I really hate the fact that cinemas don't do like the, you know, remember they used to do like the Ben & Jerry's counters, and you could pick your own little thing, pick your own little like 3 scoops or whatever, and you can't get that anymore, which is really annoying. So I'm going to just get something before we go. There's like a drive-through dessert place next to the cinema, so we'll get some ice cream, Mark will get some cookie dough. I'm so full because that food was, but using the little cinema snack, we're going to see it's called Wolverine and Deadpool. I have no idea about the first 2 films to even know what's going on, but to be honest, like I'm not really in the mood to watch films, I want to go and chill out. We went to the brunch place, it was like a 40-minute wait for a table because you can't pre-book. But we were in the West End, so there's lots of nice like parks. So we took Harvey a nice walk. Oh my goodness, all the dogs. So many cute dogs. I was in sensory overload, it was nuts. It was so good. And then by the time we went a walk round, like I think it was Kelvin Grove Park. I'm not sure. We went up at one of the many parks in the West End.
Thank you. Very good, thank you.
We're getting some ice cream from our favourite little drive-through ice cream place. So normally we would take Harvey with us and we would get a little couple of whipped cream. He's not with us tonight and I feel quite guilty. I feel like he knows that we're going to have ice cream without him. We're outside the park, literally miles away from cinema, so we have to walk for ages and ages, which is great fun.
It's 4 rows back.
To the cinema with our ice cream.
It was an interesting movie, Deadpool versus Wolverine or whatever it was called. I was saying to Alan, I feel like the writers were on mushrooms when they wrote it and thought it'd be a really cool idea, but in reality, where did we park?
Further down, you parked miles away.
Oh, this one. But in reality, it was just a bit random, a bit bizarre. Had some funny moments, don't get me wrong, but it wasn't for me.
And that's a film review by Mark Sinclair. Good morning, Harvey. Good morning. Good morning, happy Monday. Lots to do today. Can I do any of it? Probably not, but oh my god, I've got so many brushes. I've got so many makeup brushes that I've been putting off. Oh, I'm going to sit down, hold on. I really feel like I've got so much to do today, like I really need to film. I've not filmed in a few days. I didn't film yesterday or Saturday. I do try and not do content at the weekend anyway, just so I can have some sort of like work-life balance, but I really wanted to get some filming up so I have some content in the bank for the week. But you know, it's not the end of the world, we can do it today. I also have been really postponing cleaning my brushes, which I always just think if I could pay someone to do it for me, I definitely would. People slag me for it all the time, is that I drink my tea with a straw. I don't want to stain my teeth, and I feel like it's a glass straw, doesn't really count because it's just like drinking out of a cup, you know? Tanned, so this is marinating a little bit less deathly pale. My makeup room is such a mess. I really need to clean it out. It's currently 20 to 3. I plan to be filming by now, but I don't know if filming's going to happen today. My makeup room needs such a tidy, and I need to clean my brushes. Cleaning my brushes is like the main thing. I've got all this stuff here that I need to put away. Mark always cracks up at me because he's like, Alan, we had a deal when you did your makeup room up that you weren't going to have stuff all over the floor. And what if I got it all over the floor? And off Mark's seat, makeup. So I need all this, it needs to go. I've also got all these brushes that really need cleaned. And I always try to have the rule that when I had like 2 tubs of brushes that need cleaned them. We're on to 4, so I really need to go do some brush cleaning as well. But can I be bothered? No. Oh my god, this is going to be the theme of the vlog today. Today's vlog is literally going to be Alan can't be bothered, Alan can't be bothered. Well, Alan needs to get bothered, period, because new week. Struggle is real, honey. Got to be productive. I think a coffee is the solution. Of course, if you ever want to know where Harvey is, he'll always be on the couch. We've got a massive L-seater couch. Harvey will always sit on a cushion because it has to be in the most luxurious setting. Are you just chilling today? Like, not to be dramatic, but there really isn't much that makes me happier in life than to send a couple of emails, admin day, and then, yeah, do my brushes. Good morning, Harvey. Good morning. Good morning.
I just feel bloated. I'm just sore and tired. Like, I don't feel snatched and tight.
So yesterday I achieved none of my list. So I had so much planned. I was going to film, I was going to clean my brushes, I was going to didn't get any of it. So, and I'm having a little cup of tea, and then I'm going to take him out, have a little bite to eat, and get on with my day. I did an order from Stylevana. It's like K-beauty, K-skincare, Korean skincare, and I've seen a lot of the tier stuff like everywhere, so I thought, like, I want to try it out. So I'm just getting ready to film, and I thought, well, I'll do some skin prep, and then I will do like a review video on the products, like after I've been using them for a few weeks or a few days or that sort of thing. I actually feel like, should I start doing more like makeup room tour, skincare tour, that sort of thing, like bathroom tour, flat tour, but I don't know, like, is that something that people want to watch? I was waiting for a parcel that I thought might come today that I really wanted to film with, but the postman's just been and the parcel is not there, so I'm guessing it will come tomorrow, which is fine. So I'm going to just sit and do a little bit of filming. Like, I still haven't filmed with those HNB cream bronzers and they look sick. I'm going to film with them, do a little bit of get ready with me content. I might actually go live for a bit. Like, I really love a little TikTok live, honeys. I'm going to let this skincare sit in for a wee second and I'm going to make myself an iced coffee. Then I'm going to sit and film for a bit, tidy the makeup room, all that stuff that I didn't do yesterday. But I really need to do my brows. There's just a couple of little hairs that have just appeared overnight. They just really need to be gone. But I'll do them. I'll probably do that tonight. Have a little brow pamper maybe. So I'm just going to get ready to film, which means I need to adjust my lighting a little bit. I know this isn't going to be like a makeup tutorial video. If you want me to do like longer videos on YouTube, like makeup tutorials, just let me know. But I'm doing my makeup, and if you haven't tried the new Studio Effects by MAC yet, I never liked the original, never. But this one, the new formula, I'm literally like so obsessed with, like so obsessed. Old Studio Effects was like paint vibes, this not so much. Like I really like this one. Into the skin, like it's giving me that proper glossy. Of course the door went when I'm sitting with a nose contour on. Period. Someone has decided that he wants to join me for filming and he hasn't quite yet clocked that the camera's on him. So I'm getting some cute little Harvey footage, which never happens because this little dog sees a camera and goes, absolutely not, Daddy, I don't want to be on camera, but you're going to be today. In an ideal world, I would have this room like reset back to 0 for tomorrow for filming. Don't know how realistic that is today, but I'm going to try and get some stuff done. So some tidying, we'll see. It's currently 4 o'clock. I've been so busy today. This is actually now the next day. So what a shock. Yesterday I did not clean my brushes. I planned to, but I didn't do it. And it's now 4 o'clock and I've achieved nothing in my day today because I've been so busy doing like admin bits, which is my most hated thing of doing in my life, and editing some videos that I needed to get ready to post. And now I'm going to unbox some PR. Receive the most slay PR parcel from P. Louise. This is their new under eye setting powders. I have tried these when I was last down at the Empire page, was letting me try them, but I finally have all the shades here. There is like 5x6, so 30 shades of under eye setting powder. I'm going to do a video on these, so watch this space. I've also got all this to unbox, which just came this week, which was really fun. So that's my fun afternoon activity. I've really been bad at checking in this week because I've been not really doing much. I've actually had a really lazy few days. I've not really done anything exciting the last few days, so nothing to really vlog. And I procrastinated all day, so it's now 10 to 5 and I'm halfway through my makeup, which is just a waste of a day, but you know, we move. So I finished all my filming. Got everything I needed done, and a news little surprise, absolutely nobody, this task still remains. So my one task for the week, which was to clean my brushes. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my first week's vlog. I know it was pretty boring, but this is my life. Welcome to my life. I will have exciting things coming up, so I'll take you guys along with too. But hey, a nice chilled start to the vlog experience is always good. I just need to clean up all this mess that I've left after filming. So I'm going to do that, and then probably going to chill. Mark's making dinner, really slay, and I'm probably going to chill out tonight. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed my first vlog. Welcome to the fam. What a fun first week. Very chilled, very normal, but that is just my life anyway. But yeah, see you in the next one. Obviously, it wouldn't be at dinner time without Harvey getting a little plate of broccoli and mash, which he is fed like the little prince that he is. Takes it so nicely, like a good boy. Harvey, is that good? Oh.
Okay, last bit of broccoli.